This video will show you our latest projector, the Mini H1 Ultimo bi-xenon projector from Aharon. We'll show you the differences between the newest version and the Mini H1 Primo projector. So let's get to it and show you why this one is much better than the previous version. So we have both projectors fired up. You can see on top there's the Mini H1 Primo or the basic version, and on the bottom there's the Mini H1 Ultimo, the new projector. So what you can see, what has not changed much is the width. You can see they're both, they have the same width more or less. And what also has not changed is the dot cutoff, because most of the people, they prefer the dot cutoff, so that's still the same. So let's take a look at the projectors individually and see what the light output does with our light meter. So we have here the Mini H1 Primo, or the basic version, is fired up. So let's take a look at the light output in the hotspot. We have a light meter, a lux meter, and we set it on a peak setting, so it will remember the maximum light output that I measure. So it's 0.98 kilo lux. So let's take a look at the Mini H1 Ultimo and see what's the power in the hotspot of the Mini H1 Ultimo. So this is the Mini H1 Ultimo fired up right now. So let's take a look what's the light output here. We measure the hotspot and put a little peak setting. So 1.29 kilo lux. The Mini H1 Primo or basic version at 0.98, this one has 1.29. So that means this is an improvement of about 20 to 25% in light output, especially in the hotspot. So this means that you'll have an increased vision at night. You can see further with the Mini H1 Ultimo than with the Mini H1 Basic. But even the Mini H1 Basic is already very powerful. These measurements are already a lot higher than, of course, halogen, but also a lot more powerful than most of the OEM bi-xenon projectors, which have very outdated designs. So make sure you get the Mini H1 projector, because it's a great projector with a very compact size. It's easy to mount in your headlight. We have a lot of different brackets available. So check our website and use our vehicle finder to check out which kit we have for your vehicle. So see you soon. Thank you for watching.